the challenge that is becoming more and more apparent is accountability. In all the projects we are involved with, that golden thread of information, making sure that the person that designs it is responsible for it and that's actually seen through to what's actually built on site. It seems to be more and more apparent in everything that we're doing at the moment.
Attracting new people into the industry is a really big, has been a big challenge for the industry. A lot of people have moved out of the industry over the years, and I think the attraction of the digital environment in construction is now really proving to be a great catalyst to bring new blood into the industry.
I think there's only one challenge really, isn't it? And that's the zero carbon agenda, the decarbonisation, or however you want to put it. But ultimately, I think that's our biggest challenge, and I don't think it's necessarily a technology challenge. I think a lot of the solutions, if not all of them, are there already. It's about how we collaborate, how we fund it, how we persuade clients they want to do it, who's going to pay for the capital costs, even if there's a benefit long term.
The challenge with Brexit is many things with delivery dates and etc. Being a supplier of parts, delivery dates have extended, and just the logistics of booking stuff in from a non-EU country going into an EU country with which our head office in Germany is, and then coming back into a non-EU country now has certainly caused some challenges.
The biggest challenges I feel the industry is dealing with at the moment is ESG. A lot of our clients are coming to us wanting to improve their portfolio with implementing ESG within those refurbishments. This might be PVs, installation of PVs, or installation of rainwater harvesting, or really reducing the embodied carbon energy within materials.
Currently, it's navigating the changing laws, keeping up with the latest legislation post-Brexit and the target for achieving net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. We've also encountered the soaring cost of insurance premiums in line with onerous PR requirements following the Grenfell findings.
I think that you can't go past discussing COVID. It's had a huge impact on the whole industry over this last 12 months, down from everybody being displaced, everybody working from home, manufacturing, having to run by government guidelines of everybody being 2 meters apart. So that has been a massive impact on the manufacturing side.
How we deal with things like listed buildings, how we make sure that we don't end up with a lot of boring architecture that all looks the same because it happens to be the lowest carbon solution. But it's not about the technologies, it's about the talking to each other.
The biggest challenges that we're facing are sort of closed borders and difficulties with borders, not only with Brexit, but the movement of people, specialist people, the movement of materials over borders and around the world, the costs of shipping. We're a global company. The costs of shipping have pretty much gone up threefold, and even just mail, small packages, getting samples out around the world, all of that sort of thing has pretty much tripled in price over the last year.
A lot of people in the timber trade are very worried about Brexit and COVID. Of course, these present fresh challenges that we've never had to deal with before, but that's not the biggest issue. The biggest issue has always been sustainability.
So we've seen obviously the demand in the construction industry significantly shift with the impact of Brexit and COVID. We've seen a lot of businesses unfortunately going out of business or massively scaling back their operations because of it. So that's what we're seeing as the biggest impacts at the minute, or the biggest issues.